In this video, we build a jet-powered RC car. Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Alright guys, how you doing? In this video, we've got another jet engine, but this time we're going to attach it to an RC car and make it so we can actually drive this thing around under its own thrust. What do you reckon?
Oh, I reckon it's going to work well, okay.
And luckily, I broke this muffler in half the other day, so we can use the front end of it as all the steering, and then we can use the, you'll see. What we got to do is build this bit, slot him in there, put that back on, and then see how far it can go. Guys, do you know what is absolutely and utterly crazy? Is that this planetary gearbox in here, it's like a 4-to-1 ratio, isn't it?
Yeah, we just counted the rotations. Yeah.
So for every one of these turns on this side, this is spinning 4 times. So if our ripper motor is doing 50,000 RPM, this thing in here is spinning at 200,000 RPMs. How the hell does it take it?
Right, so I can... Oh no, Benjamin, quick, get him up Benjamin got blocked.
Have you rescued him?
I don't know, he looks bad.
Oh, poor Benjamin. He didn't have a fireproof suit on, did he?
How long did that last?
I don't know. It wouldn't be, I mean, I didn't...
Oh.
I think he's all, how's the bomb with?
That's a bum. Oh, he's all charred.
Oh, Benjamin.
Oh, Benjamin's got his bum
What
quick.
happened in there? Look at the state of that.
Oh, so it's slightly since.
What happened?
He was all fire, Kev.
Oh my god, look at that smoke. You can't really see it on the camera, but that is stinky. Look how smooth it still is.
Beautiful, isn't it?
I think, is a planetary still going round?
Yeah. Planetary still works.
Is it still going round at like 4 times the speed?
Yep, that bit is. And there, look.
Crazy.
Yeah. Because it only melted up to there.